Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Capital One credit cards to CreditWise, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of connecting your Capital One credit card to CreditWise, first, open your web browser. Visit the Capital One website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Services or Tools section on the dashboard. In that section, find the option to manage your credit card. Click on the link that directs you to Credit Management Tools. Next, choose CreditWise from the available options. You may be prompted to accept terms and conditions for using CreditWise. Review the information provided, and if you agree, click the Accept button. Afterward, you will be directed to the CreditWise platform. If you do not have a CreditWise account yet, select the option to sign up. Enter the required information, including your email and a secure password. Once your account is created, log into CreditWise using your new credentials. After logging in, look for the option to connect your accounts. Select Capital One from the list of credit card providers. You will need to re-enter your Capital One login information for verification. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. You should receive a confirmation that your Capital One credit card is now connected to CreditWise. Explore the features available to monitor your credit score and credit health. Make sure to regularly check CreditWise for updates on your credit information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.